Discover the top pickleball paddles to elevate your game. In this video, we'll explore the best pickleball paddles available, highlighting their unique features, materials, and designs. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned player, choosing the right paddle can significantly impact your performance on the court. Join us as we review the leading brands, compare weights and grips, and discuss how each paddle can help enhance your skills. Let's dive into the world of pickleball paddles. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis on our website, AllAboutTheBEST.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Let's get started with the list. Number 5. Panel Sound Paddles our pick for best budget pickleball paddle. Introducing our USA Pickleball approved Panel Sound paddles. While we didn't test them with our panel, we can confidently recommend this set as it has stood the test of 2 summers filled with fun, casual play. Certified by USA Pickleball for tournament use, these paddles are perfect for those just starting out or those looking to enjoy friendly matches during summer cookouts without breaking the bank on pricey gear. Designed with premium materials, a strong fiberglass face paired with a durable polypropylene honeycomb core, these paddles are lightweight yet sturdy, ensuring they can withstand energetic games. The 4.8-inch handle is thoughtfully crafted for a comfortable grip, offering the perfect balance to help improve your game. This versatile set includes everything you need to dive into: pickleball, 2 quality paddles, 4 outdoor balls, a convenient carrying case, and 2 cooling towels. Just remember to wash the towels before use. Suitable for all skill levels, from beginners to seasoned players, this set is an excellent choice for those looking to have a blast on the court. Get ready to play, have fun, and make lasting memories with friends and family. Number 4. Niupipo Pickleball. Paddles our pick for best affordable pickleball paddle. Looking for an exceptional pickleball experience? Check out the niupipo Pickleball paddles. You'll definitely appreciate their USAPA certification, ensuring compliance with high-quality standards. Grippy and comfortable, these paddles feel fantastic in your hands. With a 4.8-inch grip length and 4.3-inch circumference, switching hands becomes seamless, even during intense matches. Weight matters, especially while playing. Weighing in at just 7.8 ounces, you'll enjoy extended play without feeling fatigued. Built with an upgraded fiberglass face, these paddles deliver impressive power, absorbing each impact with style. Polypropylene honeycomb adds durability and offers a quieter hitting experience, perfect for those quiet neighborhood games. A cozy, sweat-absorbent grip enhances control, letting you focus on your technique. The low-profile edge guard acts like a safety net, protecting your paddle from mishits while not compromising your swing. What truly stands out? The complete package. This set includes everything: 2 paddles, 4 balls, grip tapes, and a convenient bag. It's perfect for sharing with friends and family. On the flip side, it might take a moment to adjust to the new weight. Most people, however, will prefer this lightweight feel. This product stands as the best value among pickleball paddles. Dive into your pickleball journey with niupipo's thoughtfully crafted paddles. Still looking for the perfect pickleball paddles to suit your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. CRBN X Series. Power our pick for best value pickleball paddle. Looking for a top-notch pickleball paddle? Say hello to the CRBN X Series Power. After extensive testing, it's clear this paddle offers outstanding performance and value. First, the massive sweet spot delivers unmatched control. With its redesigned internal composition, you'll notice a significant reduction in vibrations. That means more consistent shots every time you play. Carbon fiber construction sets this paddle apart. Expect insane spin and an incredible balance of power and precision. Compared to other paddles made of different materials, this one truly excels. Its elongated unibody design enhances responsiveness. Many competitors face issues at the neck joint, leading to premature wear. CRBN's approach eliminates this concern, making it both durable and user-friendly for extended matches. Dimensions play a role in comfort too. With a length of 16.5 inches and a weight of 7.8 to 8.1 ounces, this paddle feels just right in your hands. Plus, the handle grip circumference of 4.25 inches ensures a snug fit, improving your overall gameplay. A neoprene paddle cover comes included, adding practicality to your purchase. You can easily maintain the paddle's pristine condition with a CRBN eraser. While it may feel slightly heavy for beginners, this extra weight provides stability for advanced players. Overall, nothing beats the CRBN X Series Power for someone serious about pickleball. Dive into the world of superior paddles and see it for yourself. Number 2. Engage Pursuit Pro. Our pick for best premium pickleball paddle. Introducing the Engage Pursuit Pro 1.6.0, an exceptional paddle designed for advanced players. If you're serious about elevating your game, this paddle's impressive combination of power, spin, control, and forgiveness is sure to meet your needs. What sets the Pro 1 apart is its remarkable versatility. Whether you're looking to unleash aggressive power or execute delicate control shots, this paddle adapts seamlessly to your swing. It's designed for players who thrive on competition and pushes your performance to new heights. While the Pro 1 comes with a premium price tag, its advanced features make it a worthy investment for committed players looking to maximize their skills. If you're seeking a more budget-friendly alternative, consider the 6.0 DBD control paddle, which also offers great performance for advanced and intermediate players alike. Engage has thoughtfully crafted this paddle, prioritizing player comfort and injury prevention, making it ideal for those who want to play at a high level without risking strain or injury. The Pro 1 features cutting-edge technology like Raw Terray T700, carbon fiber for superior spin, a Mach Pro polymer core for unmatched power, and variable release 2.0 technology to ignite your shots. With a redesigned aerodynamic shape and vortex barrier edge technology, you'll experience enhanced swing speed and vibration control. Plus, it's USAPA approved for tournament play, ensuring it meets the highest standards. Unlock your true potential on the court with the Engage Pursuit Pro 1.6.0. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. 6.0 Quartz Pickleball Paddle. Our pick for best pickleball paddle overall. Looking for the ultimate paddle? Say hello to the 6.0 Quartz Pickleball Paddle. This impressive gear stands out in a crowded market for several reasons. First, its material makes a huge difference. Crafted from raw carbon, it delivers exceptional spin and remarkable durability. You can trust this paddle to endure intensive play without sacrificing performance. With a large sweet spot, you'll experience amplified control and power like never before. Imagine executing those tricky shots with precision. It's a game changer for refining your skills. Color options provide personal flair. Choose from vibrant shades like amethyst, rose, and smoky to express your unique style on the court. What's better than wielding a paddle that looks as good as it performs? Weighing in at 7.9 ounces, the balance feels just right. You can maneuver easily whether you play casually or competitively. It's suitable for players of all ages, promoting a fun experience for everyone. Premium construction shines through with the polypropylene core and raw carbon face. This ensures a forgiving performance, so you can focus on honing your technique without the paddle letting you down. One slight drawback, its design may take a little time to adjust to if you're used to heavier paddles. That said, once you're dialed in, you'll find it a breeze. Overall, 6.0's Quartz Pickleball Paddle truly impresses. You'll enjoy an unbeatable combination of style, performance, and comfort. Ready to elevate your game? Check out this paddle and see for yourself. So that wraps up our list of the best pickleball paddles. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which pickleball paddles you like the most. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video.